Within school, we realised there was an area of need. Children were lacking coordination skills, and we realised there was a need for gross and fine motor development within the whole of the school. So we put together a project which we wanted to be funded in order for the children to develop those skills. So we bought some balance beams, balance activity equipment and some balance bikes as well. And so we've now got a timetable in place, and all the school take part in the balance bike project, and they're all really keen, excited, and we've noticed a huge improvement already.
The children have really been enjoying using the new equipment. It's allowed us to focus on the development of skills through play, focus on developing their gross motor skills, their balance, coordination and so on. We have children who've got additional learning needs such as autism, and sometimes children with autism do struggle with gross motor skills. They can lack coordination and balance. So we found that it's benefited all pupils, but particularly those with additional learning needs. So that's been really nice to see. As well as developing the children's gross motor skills, we've noticed an improvement in their fine motor skills as well. So we think that gripping the handlebars is helping to develop those fine motor skills and is improving their handwriting and scissor grip in turn.
The balance bikes have been really beneficial, in my opinion. They've been really useful for the children's coordination, their balancing, and you can use them in a fun, exciting, engaging way. And overall, they've been, I find in class it helps them as well. Their motivation is high, they look forward to PE because it's fun. Their gross motor skills, fine motor skills, you know, they all work hand in hand really.
It's opened up lots of opportunities for cross-curricular activities. So my class have been using their oracy skills to come up with their own games. Math skills as well, so they come up with a really nice game where they have to balance across the Velcro dots. They get to the end, they have to answer a times table question, they get points for the questions and so on, so it's been really lovely.